Hey guys, it's me again, back with another makeup tutorial. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. So today's look is just gonna be this nice, pretty, simple look with a new lip. I got some new products that I just picked up that I'm gonna be diving into with this tutorial. So if you are interested, please stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and follow me on Instagram at 1985 _. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get into this eye look. As you can see, I have my foundation on and I did one eye off camera. I'm sorry if you can see my mic, guys. Apologies. So let's go ahead and dive into these new products. First things first, the foundation I'm wearing today is my NARS Naturally Radiant Foundation in the shade Tahoe. Alrighty, and let's go ahead and get started. So, as you know, we're using the Jackie Aina palette right here, as well as the ColourPop palette that I created online at colorpop.com. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. So the first shade is actually going to be this shade in my ColourPop palette. What's it called? It's called Good Thing. And it's just like this kind of orangey brown color. It's right here. So we're gonna put that color in the crease. Go ahead and get started. Alrighty, and that's how that should look. After that, we're gonna go ahead into the Jackie Aina palette and we're gonna do the color Pinker. So that's gonna be this color right here. That's gonna be that color right there. And you don't need a lot, like I didn't need a lot of the ColourPop shadow either. But we can start slow and then go in. Oh, I'm gonna put this on my lid. Alrighty, so now I got those two colors to the way that I want them. So I'm gonna go actually and put in my inner corner highlight because I'm probably gonna forget to do that. And that is gonna be a bit of the Soleil color here at the end, right here. Because the eyes are so matte, I need them to pop a little bit. So we're gonna do a little bit of sparkle on the inner corner. All right, and that is done. We're gonna step away from the eyes for now and we are going to finish up the base makeup. First, we're gonna do some contouring and that's where I picked up the new Fenty bronzer. I hadn't had an opportunity to try this before, but now I can. So I got this in the shade Caramel Cutie. And this is very popular, so I've been wanting to get my hands on it. Oh. Here's the color right there. And we're gonna go ahead and bronze up the face. All right, so now that we've got our bronzer on, I'm gonna go ahead and do blush. Am I gonna do blush? Yeah, I'm gonna do blush. And I'm gonna use this NARS Orgasm Blush. I got it as a gift when I went to Sephora. You know how you get all those points, accumulate those points or whatever. And I've never gotten an opportunity to try the Orgasm Blush. Sorry. So we're gonna try it today. It's this super mini mini one here, and everyone has seen this blush. It's been on the market for ever and a day, but there it is right there. Let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, this mirror is too cute. Can't nobody see nothing in that. So just a little bit. Oh my goodness, you know what I forgot? I forgot to do my concealer. That's so crazy. Good thing I don't use a lot. So we're gonna go in, before we do our highlight, we're gonna go in with this Fenty Beauty concealer. Really quick, fast. We're not gonna do too much. I'm really not the biggest fan of this Fenty Beauty concealer. It's a little thick for me, but we're gonna give it another shot. So real quick, underneath the eyes right here. Alrighty, so and last but most certainly not least, we're going to go in with our highlighter. And for this one, I picked up the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali 6 Blush Highlighter Palette. Looks like this. That's the packaging on the outside. And then on the inside, she looks like this. Right there. I hope you can see it right there. And we're going to be taking this color Sunkissed. So it's going to be this one right there. That one right there. I hope it's not too golden. Oops. Alrighty, so that is all done there. Now let's move back up to the eyes and go ahead and finish those off. We're gonna take, what are we gonna do? I'm thinking about mixing those two colors, the brown and the pinker and the, which one is a good thing together and run them along the bottom lash line. So let's do that. All right, and these are the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my waterline and apply my lashes off camera, and then we'll be back for the lips. All right, guys, we are back. I have my lashes on. They are the Allure London Luxe Silk lashes. I line my waterline with a black eyeliner, and we are back with the lips. So I have a few options. The first would be these two ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip Glosses. This is one in the shade of Paper Moon and the other one of Champagne Miami. So let's take a look at those. This is the Champagne Miami color. Alrighty, and the Paper Moon color. This one is actually my favorite. I love this color such a pretty color. This is gonna be fire for what, summertime, spring, summertime. But we're gonna go with a lipstick, I think. And I have these two Revlon lipsticks here. One in the shade of Rose Velvet. That'll be this color right here. And the other shade is Coffee Bean. Now, my thing about Coffee Bean is I think I have this in a different, like, in like a lip liner or something. I'm not sure. I hope you guys can see that right there. So, in all honesty, I think I'm gonna go with the Rose Velvet for this particular color, since it's really on, it's kind of on the pink side. Hopefully it looks nice. So let's go ahead and put this one on. All right, I really like this color. It's like your lips or my lips, but better type of color. Really nice. Hold on, I got something on. Alrighty, guys. So this is the look. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go change my shirt, take my hair down, and then I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alrighty, guys, we are back in action. So the look is complete, and this is what I came up with. A really cute daytime look with a nice nude lip that you can easily take to nighttime should you need to. So let's go ahead and run through the products, and let me talk a little bit about what I thought about them. First, let's start with the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Bronzer. I really like this, but it's not very different from my Black Radiance one. So I'll probably be bouncing back and forth between the two, but I really do enjoy it. I think it's really pretty. I think it looks really nice on the skin. So yeah, this was a great purchase. Also, the NARS Blush and Orgasm, this little mini one that I have here, I like it. Do I love it? It doesn't really, I don't know, maybe it just didn't fit this look for me or whatever, or maybe it's just that I like a deeper color or what have you. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to use it. I'm going to continue to use this a little bit more to get a better feel for it. So yeah, look out for this. I'm going to use this a little bit more. And the BH Cosmetics Blushing in Bali palette, this one right here, I actually like this a lot more than I thought I would. I didn't think the colors were going to be very flattering, and I wasn't sure about the highlighters in here either, but they're actually pretty good, so big ups to BH Cosmetics, because when they first came out on the scene, when I first heard about them in like 2012, I think, they weren't doing it like this. So big ups to them on this palette. It's a really decent one. All right, you guys didn't see me, but I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz actually to do my brows today. They look better than they usually do, and so I really like this. I really do enjoy this. Enjoyed using this pencil, so I'm definitely I look forward to using it more in the future. Alrighty, and last but most certainly not least, these Revlon. What is it? Revlon Super Lustrous Lipsticks, both in Rose Velvet. This is such a pretty color. I've been on the hunt for a pretty pinky nude that wouldn't be almost like neon on my skin tone. And I found it in this color right here. If you've been looking for a pretty pink nude that's really subtle, that you can do daytime or night, whichever way you like it, this is a great one. And I think it's like $6, and I think I found it at Walmart. So this is a great color. I really like it, and I look forward to using this on a lot more tutorials and a lot more photos. Also, this is not new. This Fenty Beauty concealer, not new. I've had it for a while, but I think I'm gonna take it at the Exile box and start using it more, because I'm not sure, I wasn't really looking for a concealer like this when I bought it, I just wanted to try it out and I wasn't really impressed, so I kind of just chucked it to the back of the line. But you know, giving it a second chance today, I think I'm gonna start putting her in my rotation. So big ups to Fenty again. All right guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. If you made it this far, please be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and please follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name will be down below. It is 1985 _ Alrighty guys, so thank you so much for joining me again, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.